Good afternoon. My name is Johana Castellanos. I am studying psychology in the Open and Distance University. Today, I am preparing a delicious dessert. First of all, I am telling you some clues and you are going to guess what the dessert is. 1. This recipe is a traditional Hispanic American dessert. Number 2. This recipe can be accompanied with cookies, lemon, or caramel sweets. Those ingredients are easy to get and basic. This recipe is very popular in Mexico, Nicaragua, Venezuela, Panama, and even here in Colombia. Any idea? My recipe is postre de tres leches. And I am going to show you how to make it. Okay, these are the ingredients. 1. A half a cup white sugar. White sugar. A quarter cup water. This 4 eggs. This cup of condensed milk, and it's very delicious condensed milk. 1 cup milk cream. 1 glass of milk. And 1 teaspoon vanilla essence. Okay, go on. Step 1. Heat to oven. 1. Preheat to oven to 118 centigrade for 30 minutes before preparation. Step 2. Prepare the caramel. Okay, in a medium pot. Okay, search pot. In a medium pot, mix the sugar and water. Okay, mix the sugar and water. Okay, go on. Cook over medium heat about 15 minutes and remove from the heat. Okay, go on. Remove from the heat and pour the caramel into the mold. Okay, go on. Before the caramel in the mold, continue it for step 3. Blend the flan ingredients. Okay, grab the blender cup and pour the eggs.
Remember 4 eggs. 1, 2, 3, 3. Okay.
The condensed milk. With cream milk. Okay, vainilla essence, vainilla, or extract vainilla. And blend milk and 1 cup milk. So more delicious. Step 4. Bake in the flame. Pour the 3 milk mixture your blender. Open the cake in the baking dish. Place the baking dish in the oven and bake it for 14 minutes. Okay, finish for step 5. Take the mold out of the oven. Once the time has passed, take the molds out of the oven and let them cool down a bit. That's it. Our tres leches are ready to savor. Enjoy it.